Hello learners, how are you all? Today we will continue the same chapter on the Delhi Road by Ruskin Bond. In this chapter we have seen that the author shared with us some incidents of his journey. Okay, let's continue what happened next. Occasionally, I have shared a taxi with another passenger. Here, the author is saying that occasionally means rarely he shared with taxi with another passenger. But after one or two disconcerting experience, I have taken to traveling alone or with a friend. But after one or two disconcerting means upsetting experience, he stopped to traveling with another passenger. He want to travel now on alone or with a friend. Okay, the last time I shared a taxi, now he shared one experience here. When he shared his taxi with someone, I was pleased to find that my fellow passenger. Okay, he was very happy to see the passenger. With that passenger, he saw his one book with him. Okay, which was lying on the seat between us. That book was lying between them. I thought I would be friendly, and in that time the author thought that he would be friendly, so he started to talk with him. Here, break the ice means started. Okay, he started and remarked at the book and said, "I see you have one of my book with you." Glancing modestly at the paperback on the seat, and that person glancing him modestly, what do you mean, your book? He bridled. Okay, bridled means tried to control himself, but giving the author a dirty look and said, "What do you mean? This is your book. I just bought this book at the news agency." No, no, I stammered. The author speak with sudden pause and said that I don't mean it's mine. I mean it's my book. Means I had written this book. Now this time the passenger, he was very angry and said, "Now you are claiming that you are the author of this book." He looked at me as though I was fraud of the worst kind, and he looked at the author that the author was a fraud. That means worst kind of fraud. Okay, in that time author did not like his behavior. Then that person added and asked him, "What is your real profession, may I ask you?" In that time author did not means any argument with that person, and just told him that I am just a typist. Okay, the author said that I am a typist. Indeed, I am very careful about trumpeting my literary or other achievement. Here, the meaning of trumpeting means praising. Okay, where here the author is saying he was very careful whenever he was praising or appreciating his literary work. He was very careful because always the other misunderstood him. Recently, at a book reading in New Delhi, next experience he shared here. At a book reading in New Delhi, a little girl asked me how many books you had written. Oh, about 60 or 70. The author, very truthfully, he replied to that girl that about 60 or 70 book I had written. What happened in that time? A child peeped up and said him that why can't you be a little modest about it? Okay, that child questioned him that you have to be little modest. Sometime you just can't win. In that time also the author did not argue with that child. My author's ego received a salutary beating when on one of my earliest trip. Now what happened here? Salutary means beneficial. Okay, beneficial. When on one of my earlier trip, I stopped at a small bookstall. Here, another experience he shared when he stopped at a small bookstop and looked around for his book. Okay, he was searching a book written by him. Finally, I found one, and he found one book under a pile of book by Chopra, Kushwant Singh, William Dalrymple, and other luminaries means people of brilliant achievement. Okay, he found his book also under a pile of books. Okay, pile of books means collection of books. He found his book under these books. Okay, I slipped it means he took to take it out and from the bottom of the pile, and surreptitiously means secretly, he placed it on the top. Unfortunately, what happened, the bookseller saw him and picked up the offending volume, means offending volume is that book, okay, that big book, and returned it to the bottom of the pile. And the bookseller saw him, and he again kept that book bottom of the piles of book, okay. No demand for this book, sir. And saying the author, there was no demand for this book. I wasn't going to tell him. But in that time also the author did not argue with that person, but just to prove him wrong. The author want to prove him wrong, because that person said no demand for this book. Then he want to prove him wrong. What he did, he bought the poor neglected thing, okay, and he purchased the book, okay. This is a collector item, okay. This book is a collector item, I told him, and purchased that book. The author purchased that book from the bookseller and told him that this is a collector book. Oh, he said, at last I meet a collector. And the bookseller said, means it's very good that I meet a collector of this type of book, okay. The number of interesting people I meet on the road is matched only by a number of interesting drivers, okay. Many time he meet in his journey, he meet many people, but here he want to share with the number of interesting drivers also he met, okay, who have carried me back and forth in their chariots of fire, okay. Those driver, those always carried him from Missouri to Delhi and Delhi to Missouri in their car. The last to do so, the driver of Quellis means name of a car, okay, Toyota company car. Last to do so, the driver of a Quellis must have had ambition to be an air pilot. That Quellis driver, he want to be an air pilot, okay. Quellis driver, he want to be an air pilot. He used the road as a runway, and he used the road as runway, you all know, where aircraft take off, okay. So he used the road as runway and was constantly on the verge of taking off. Means his behavior like he was about to taking off, okay. Means very speed, means he was very he was in too much speed, too much hurriedly whenever he drive the car. Pedestrians, cyclists, and drivers of small vehicles scattered to left and right. Whenever he driving the car, these all means pedestrians, cyclists, and drivers of small vehicles, they scattered to sometime left, sometime right. Okay, do not understand where he will go. Often hurling abuse at my charioteer. Sometimes they abuse also, okay, because he was means driving the car very hurriedly, so sometimes they giving means abuse at the driver, who seemed immune to the most colorful invectives. But the driver did not care about those words, and he seems to be immune, that these words seems to be immune to him with most colorful invectives. Invectives, meaning of invectives here given, that abusive and insulting word. With this insulting word, he felt this give him immune, okay. Means he is feeling good with these words. Truck did not give way, but he simply swerved. Means truck, okay, truck did not give him way, okay. But in that time, what he did, he turned and make his way, okay. He turned and make his way. Swerved meaning is turned aside, okay, turned aside abruptly and make his way. Adopting a zigzag approach to task of getting from Delhi to Dehradun in the shortest possible time. And always he means in shortest possible time he went from Delhi to Dehradun, okay, and making always zigzag way, okay, in this way. Zigzag way means this type of way. There is no hurry, I told him more than once, and always the author told him that there was no hurry. But his English was limited, because he did not know English very well, and he told me later that he thought I was saying that no, when author told him that I am telling you that there was no hurry, then he said that I am thinking that you are saying that please hurry. Well, he hurried and he hurried. Hurried means moved along, okay. Hurried means moved along. He moved along hurriedly until a railway crossing where we were forced to stop. And he hurriedly he moved, and at a railway crossing he stopped. Okay, railway crossing, the driver stopped. In that time, a scooterist came abreast. Abreast means alongside. A scooterist came alongside and threatened him. Okay, because he was driving very fast, so threatened him to turn the driver over to the police. A long and heated argument followed between both. A long and heated argument followed, and it appeared that there would be soon be a punch up, and it seemed that they means very soon they both were fight with themselves. Okay, when the crossing gate suddenly opened, and what happened when the crossing gate opened, and suddenly when the crossing gate opened, the Qualis flew forward, and the Qualis driver flew from there, leaving the fuming scooterist far behind. And that scooterist, he was far behind. In that time, the Qualis driver moved fast, okay, and go from there. Next is what we read today. Okay, now I will ask you some questions. First one, why does the author like to traveling alone or with a friend? Second question, what is the meaning of fears? Third is, the author said to the stranger, I see you have one of my book with you. What does author want to say to the stranger? What happened at the time of book reading in New Delhi? Why did the author stop at the small bookstall? Next is, find the meaning of people of brilliant achievement from the passages given. Next question, why did the author purchase his own book? Next is, what was the ambition of the driver of Kalis? What happened when the crossing gate opened? Okay, students, solve this.